Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm Brandon. This is Dat Blue R32. We got the CTS Turbo 3-inch catback, and here's the unboxing. You know what I mean? Yikes. Okay. These tips are actually huge. I think they're like a 4-inch tip. And they know how to pack. Thank you, CTS. You really pack this in there. I should grab a knife for this. Okay. Oh wow, those things are heavy. Okay, is that? This is the one muffler. CTS, man, you really package this thing. Me and my ass struggling. This is the one muffler. It is a separate muffler system, so it's not just one muffler. Oh, man. Super good, super heavy too. Like, it's really good quality. Got clamps. Don't stab yourself at home. They really package this shit tight. I shouldn't say shit. I was gonna edit it out. You know what? That's what we're gonna do, boys. I believe that's okay. This might be a little easier to open it without the box in the way. this is really heavy. The second muffler. This tip is actually on this one, so I can't adjust the way it fits. So hopefully it's straight. I don't see, oh, the bolts are already in, okay. There we go. So these welds look freaking just beautiful. For measurement's sake, I believe they are a 4-inch tip. So almost 4-inch tip. But the size of these over the stock ones is night and day. The stock ones I believe is only like a 2-inch tip. So you don't get any of the puss. The mufflers are, see if I can get this to work. How did it flip? Mufflers are about 9 inches. I got the non-resonated because you need resonators whenever you're just trying to be obnoxious. Ha, I got him. Alright, y'all, thank you for watching. Within the following week, I share the video up for the install. I'm going down to Auto Haus down in York because I don't have the time anymore. But overall, pretty good quality. We'll see if it holds up to the order. See you later. Bye.